About the writing, I dedicate my paragraphs to my teacher, Trevor, my dad, Rajesh, my mom, Sandhya, my brother, Arman, my uncle, Umesh, my aunt, Stephanie, my uncle, Prashan, and my uncle, Ramesh. Over the year, I have changed my paragraphs. To begin, I made my paragraph stronger. I made my topic sentence stronger than those at the beginning of the year. I was not writing complete topic sentences back then, and now I am writing full topic sentences. At the beginning of the year, my only transition words were first, next, and finally. Now my transition words are first of all, to begin, for starters, also, and last. Oh, and some of the transition words I used were in some other paragraphs. My sentences at the beginning of the year were like, I like to watch TV, and now my sentences are like, I like to watch TV because the TV shows on it are super excellent. Also, I learned not to not make my paragraphs too short. That usually makes them boring. It is also important to show and not tell in my writing. Last but not least, I learned where punctuation goes. I learned where a period goes in a paragraph. At the beginning of the year, I was putting periods in the wrong places, and now I'm putting them in the right places. I also learned where an exclamation points go. Before, I was putting exclamation points in the wrong places. I think that fixing that is a big accomplishment, because if people read my paragraphs from the beginning of the year, and if I was still writing like that right now, it would be kind of awkward. You can probably see how I've improved my paragraphs over the year. Oh wait, I think there's two that's. Can we change? About the author. Hello, my nickname is Lego Guy 10. I was born on October 10th, 2006 in Evanston, Illinois, but I first lived in Chicago. I moved to California in 2011. My school is called Stevenson Pact Elementary School, which is my hometown, Mountain View. I have a mom, dad, and 3-year-old brother. At school, I like math, reading, and writing. My favorite author is Roald Dahl. My favorite 3 book series are Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Middle School, and Harry Potter. I'm interested in time travel. My favorite 2 shows to watch are The Middle and Fresh Off the Boat. My favorite movies to watch are Big Hero 6, Back to the Future, Back to the Future Part 2. I write stories all the time. I like reading funny books. I'm going to be 9 in 5 months, but right now I am 8. I have loved making Enormous Ears, even more stories inspired by Roald Dahl, and A Puzzling City, activities inspired by Mountain View, as well as this anthology. Thank you for reading my paragraphs and taking the time to learn about me.